Good evening, guys. Audio both are clear, right? Somebody tell me. Just audio both are clear, right? Good evening, Yesh, Ninath. Good evening, guys. Right. So we'll be starting our discussion. We'll be continuing our discussion on which one? This virtual calculator usage, right? Virtual calculator usage. We'll be continuing our discussions now. Yes or no? Right. So which discussion we are doing now? This usage of this virtual calculator. You can say, right, all of you. Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Are you guys ready to crack? Yes, get ready to crack, right? So GATE and ESE Civil Engineering by myself. This is my profile. You can follow me at which in Unacademy. You can find the link to my profile also in the description. Just to follow this, all of you, right? You can find all my classes, plus classes and free classes. All my classes you can find in my profile, you can say, okay? And whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, right? If you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, don't forget to use the code RP Civil Live. RP Civil Live is the code you have to use, okay? Now, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy plus platform, you can say, right? At present, this transportation means highway engineering and railway engineering full courses are going on, okay? These are the new batches, you can say, starting from 8th September. Whenever you are subscribing for the plus and iconic courses, don't forget to use the code RP Civil Live, okay? And there is an offer. If you are taking this 6 months subscription plus subscription, then you will be getting which one? This 3 months extra plus subscription, okay? All of you, 6 plus 1 has become which one? This is 6 plus 3. GATE and ESE for 6 months if you are taking, then you will be getting which one? This 3 months extra for free you will be getting, okay? You will be getting this 3 months extra. You have to be careful, okay? It is not 1 month extra, it is 3 months extra you will be getting, okay? Just subscribe to the plus and iconic courses as early as possible, right? Before the offer is getting expired. Whenever you are subscribing, use the code RP Civil Live, okay? RP Civil Live is the code you have to use. So this Unacademy GATE and ESE, that price is going to be increased soon, right? Before it is getting increased, you subscribe for the plus and iconic courses, use the code RP Civil Live for getting 10% discount, okay? Right. Unacademy ask a doubt, right? So compared to YouTube, Unacademy app will be very much useful, you can say, if you just observe, right? You can ask your doubt here, right? You can ask your doubt directly, right? Offline also. So you can just ask which one, unlimited number of doubts you can ask, right? So this is a procedure, right? Step by step procedure for asking your doubts is given, right? Step by step procedure for asking your doubt is given like this, if you just observe, okay? Don't miss this, all of you. Try to attend this, try to ask your doubts, right? This is a live mentoring product. This is which one? Iconic product only, you can say. Iconic subscription is only which one? This is a live mentoring one, you can say. So live mentoring means there will be one person, he will be allocated for you. That person will be guiding you throughout your preparation, right? Like that at each and every stage. That is your iconic subscription. So these are all the benefits of this plus subscription. And these outside yellow color ones are the benefits of which one? This iconic subscription, okay? Like that. So now, whenever you are subscribing for the plus courses, this 32,450 will become 29,205 for 1 year. When you are using the referral code RP Civil Live, right? When you are using the referral code RP Civil Live, this 10% discount will be getting it. For the 10% discount, you will be getting it by utilizing the credits, right? Iconic also 50,250 will become 45,225 for 1 year if you are using the referral code RP Civil Live, right? Like that. Don't miss this code. So this Unacademy combat event tomorrow at 11 AM there will be combat event going on. So every Sunday it will be there, na? So don't miss this Unacademy combat event, all of you. RP Civil Live is the code you have to use, right? Whenever you are unlocking that, what is the code you have to use? RP Civil Live. Okay, these are the benefits you will be getting, right? Rank 1 to 3, 4 to 10, 11 to 15, 51 to 100. These are all the prizes you will be getting, right? So now coming to this, these are the plus courses going on. Highway engineering at 8 PM to 10 PM every day. Railway engineering at 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. every day you will be having. Okay. Strength of materials free course every day 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Monday to Thursday in Unacademy app. So in which one? In this Unacademy. Okay, this is in Unacademy, you can see. Unacademy app. Buffering, is it buffering? Yes. For others it is buffering or not? Free course on this RCC PVQs, it is from Friday to Sunday, that 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. every day, right? This virtual calculator 1st September to 30th September, every Friday and Saturday you will be having 4:00 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Okay, like the Kalada. Good evening, right? So just somebody text in the group, so that others also will join our class, right? So that they will not be missing it. Somebody text in the groups, all of you, right? So now coming to this, which one? 12th class we are solving now. We are in which class? 12th lesson actually, right? We are in which lesson? 12th lesson, right? Yeah, just refresh it. Yes. Yeah, for others it is not buffering, just refresh it. Okay, right? Now YouTube live class on which one? This friction, right? We'll be considering the friction questions, and you may get it out, sir. Friction is a very simple topic now. What is there to use the calculator? Is there any use of calculator in this? So friction is equal to F equal to coefficient of friction into this normal reaction. Is there any use of calculator? We may think like that, right? Yes, there is a use of calculator we'll be having, right? Like that. Okay, shall we enter now? This is your APPSC AW 2019 question. If you just observe, what you can say, what is the minimum coefficient of friction between the rope and the fixed shaft, right? Between the rope, right? Between this this is your fixed shaft circular one, and this is your rope, you can say, right? This is your rope, na? This is your rope, and this is your which one? This is shaft. Between the rope and the fixed shaft, which will prevent the unbalanced cylinder from moving, right? Actually what is happening, left side this 3 times the mass, right? 3m will be which one, right? 3m will be the tension T1 occurring in this direction, that is your T2m equal to mass m. But actually what is happening, left side higher force you are having and the right side lesser force you are having, na? Then there is a possibility of unbalancing or not? Yes. But if you are having some friction between the rope and this shaft, do you have any unbalancing? No unbalancing will be there, right? No unbalancing will be there, right? Like that. So here, how to solve this question of all of you? How to solve this question of you? If you just observe that T1 by T2 will be equal to, that T1 by T2 will be equal to e power mu into that theta or alpha. Which one you are familiar with? Theta or alpha? Theta or alpha, everyone, right? Theta, mu theta, let us say, right? Mu theta, let us say, right? So how can you get that mu value then now? That T1 by T2, if you just observe it, what is that T1 by T2? Left side tension 3 times the mass divided by mass. How much it comes to be? 3 it comes to be, right? 3 it comes to be, right? Now what is it you can write here if you just observe? That 3 will be equal to e power which one? This mu into theta. It's not mu into theta. What is that theta, you can say? Here what is that theta, all of you? It is the angle of contact. It is the angle of contact between which one? This rope and cylinder. Yeah, I am fine. How are you, Anshu? Angle of contact between rope and cylinder, right? Angle of contact between rope and cylinder. Yes. Good evening, Anshu. Right. Very long back, after long time you are attending my classes live, right? So here, then from this, can't you calculate this mu value? Yes, we can calculate this mu value, that 3 equal to e power mu into, what is that angle here if you just observe? So what is this angle? Between the contact area, right? Between the contact area and this one, can we say this theta will be equal to this 180 degrees or pi? Can we say that is equal to pi? All of you? Can we say that angle is equal to pi? All of you? Pi radians, na? Yes or no? This is your pi radians, right? So here what is that given? That theta is equal to that pi radians, right? Theta is equal to which one? This pi radians. Yes, na? Now how can you get that? If you just observe, log 3 will be equal to how much, all of you? Log 3 will be equal to how much, you can say? Log 3 will be equal to, how can you write this? Log 3 will be equal to, right, log 3 will be equal to, right, or e power pi, right? So e power pi, or we can just write it as, make it like this, right? 3 will be equal to which one? This e power pi whole power mu, right? E power pi whole power mu, right? What is that e power pi, you can say, all of you? What is the e power pi, you can say? If you just observe this, what is it? Log 3 will be equal to, right, log 3 will be equal to, what is it, you can say? Log of, what is it? Log of e power pi to the mu to the base e. So what does it mean, you can say? You can say that a log 3 to the base e will be equal to, log 3 to the base e will be equal to which one? This that pi will come here, na? Pi into, what is it? Sorry, mu into which one? It is not pi, mu. That mu higher power, it will come to this side. Mu into which one? That mu into which one? This log e power pi. Yes, na? Log e power pi, right, to the base e. Now what is that mu you can get? Mu we can get it as what? Log 3 to the base e divided by which one? Log 3 to the base e divided by which one? Log e power pi to the base e, right? Log e power pi to the base e, right? Log e power pi to the base e, right? Yeah. Then how can you rewrite this one if you just observe? Log 3 to the base e divided by which one? This can we take it as pi simply? Can we take it as pi simply? That is how you will be getting that mu value, coefficient of friction. Is that clear? So shall we start solving this, all of you? Shall we start solving this, all of you? Yes, we'll try to solve this, all of you. Shall I? We'll try to solve this. Clear all? So directly I am moving to this, right, all of you? Clear all? Once you are just doing this clear all, what we need to do? First we calculate log 3 to the base a divided by pi. Okay, 3 ln, right? 3 ln means what? Log 3 to the base e, right? Divided by which one? This divided by which one? Divided by this pi only, no? Divided by this pi, you consider. Divided by this pi, you consider, right? How much you'll be getting? How much you'll be getting here? 0.3497, right? 0.3497 you are having. Okay, so what is that? 0.3497. So approximately it is which one? 0.35. Is there any option with the 0.35? Yes, there is an option with the 0.35. Option B is the correct one, na? Yes, option B is the correct one. Like that. Is that clear? Right. Or you may get it out, sir, how to solve this one without that? Sir, I just wanted to solve this one. You wanted to solve this one, all of you? Log 3 to the base e divided by which one? This log e power pi, right? E power pi log, right? E power pi. We'll just solve this, right? We'll just solve this, right? E power pi, we'll keep it and we'll try to solve this, right? First what we'll do? E power pi, log e power pi, na? So e power pi means first what we'll do? Pi e power x, right? So e power pi you are having, right? E power pi you are having, right? Yes, na? So this I wanted to solve it from here, right? E power pi. So e power pi we keep it and a log you apply for that. E power pi just now we calculated equality symbol. Then ln you apply for this. You are getting that one, na? Yes, 3.1414 means it is pi only, no? Yes, it is pi only, right? 1 divided by that answer. So, 1 divided by that answer into what is it? Into what is the next one? Log 3 to the base, you know. So 3 ln. So what is it you are getting? Same value you are getting, right? 0.3497 you are getting, right? 0.3497 means 0.35 you will be getting. Is that clear, everyone, now? Is that clear, everyone, now? Right. Shall I move to the next question, all of you? I'll just move on to the next question, right? I'll just move on to the next question, right? Same you are getting, right? Like that. Only just a calculation how to apply this. First we have calculated which one? E power pi. How can you calculate e power pi? Pi we will write first, then press e power x. Okay? Then after that e power x, you are getting apply ln. then apply 1 by x, right? Then you'll be getting this value, okay, right? Then that into log 3 to the base c, right? Like that. It's not leg equal to pi. Okay, yes, right. So now this is very, very important, all of you. That is okay, normal question only. But this one, if you just observe, in the above question, if a belts used are of V shape, right? What is the shape of these belts we are using? This is the V shape of belts we are using, right? Instead of that cylindrical one, what you are using? This V shaped one we are using, right? V shaped belt with angle between the surfaces as 30 degree. What is that 30 degree? 30 degree. Calculate the coefficient of friction. Calculate the coefficient of friction, right? Can you calculate now? Same wala, right? Same wala, what is that? It is your 3m you are having na, 3 times that mass, and this side what is that you are having? This is your which one? This 1 time that mass m. Now tell me, how can you get this? How can you get the answer for this, everyone? Anyone? Do you remember? Do you remember anyone? So this 30 degrees represented by which? This one beta, you can say, right? V shaped you are having, right? Tell me what is that formula? T1 by T2. What is the relation? Anyone? Anyone tell me what is the T1 by T2 relation? Everyone, all of you. I'll just wait for your response. There is some 10 seconds, 5 seconds gap is enough. Just tell me. I'll wait for your response. What is the expression for this T1 by T2? That is important here. No? Yes. Yes and Kalada? No or don't know? Others know it or don't know? Don't know? Okay, I'll write that. Don't worry. E power mu theta into, right? E power mu theta into which one? This is cosecant beta by 2. Okay. What is that beta by 2? Tell me, all of you know. That beta by 2 will be equal to, no need of Lamis rule, right? That beta by 2 will be equal to which one? This 30 degrees divided by 2 is equal to this 15 degrees. No? Now what is the T1? 3m divided by m is equal to, right? 3m divided by m is equal to e power mu into, what is that theta? Angle between this contact surface and this rope. What is that angle? Pi only, no? Pi. Into which one? This cosecant which one? 15 degrees. Like that. Is that clear, everyone now? Is that clear, everyone now? Is that clear, everyone now? This is how you have to get it, right? If only the belts used are of V shape, right? If the belts used are of V shape with angle beta, then you have to go for this one, right? Yes, na? We can do in that also. Yeah, we can do in that also. But this one, okay? Right. What is that? You can say 3 is equal to what? You can do in any manner, right? Kalada, you are having many ways of solving a question, right? Many ways of solving a question. It's na? 3 equal to which one? This e power pi cosecant 15 degrees whole power which one? This mu. Yes, na? Now, if you apply this log on both sides, log 3 to the base e equal to, what is it? You can say that mu will come outside, na? That mu will come outside, log to the base e power which one? This pi cosecant 15 degrees, na? Pi cosecant 15 degrees, right? Pi cosecant 15 degrees, right? What is that then now? Log 3 to the base e will be equal to mu into, what is that? That pi cosecant 15 degrees will come. That's it. Okay. What is that mu then? What is that mu then? Mu is equal to log 3 to the base c divided by pi cosecant 15. So can we write it as which one? Log 3 to the base c divided by pi into which one? This is it not that a sine 15 degrees? Can we say it as sine 15 degrees, all of you? Yes, we can take it as sine 15 degrees, right? Like that. Is not? Now the problem becomes simple, na? So now the problem becomes simple or not? Yes, right? So you need to solve the question, right? You need to solve the question, new type of question. At the same time, you will be capable of using the virtual calculator, right? You should be solving the new type of question. At the same time, you should be capable of using the virtual calculator. Is that clear, everyone now? Yes, na? So virtual calculator usage, if you just observe. So we will be moving on to this. Sine 15 degrees only, no? Log 3 to the base c into sine 15 degrees by pi. What you can write? Clear all? Clear all? 15 degrees first, right? 15. So change the mode to degrees, right? Change the mode to degrees, right? What is that? The mode is in degrees only, right? The mode is in degrees only. 15 sine, okay? 15 sine means what? Sine 15 degrees, na? Yes, a sine 15 degrees, right? After this sine 15 degrees, what you are having? Log 3 to the base c, na? Sine 15 degrees into, what is that? Log 3, right? So 3 we have to write first, then we have to go for which one? This ln. What is the ln? Ln we have to go for that first. Yes, na? So that sine 15 degrees into log 3, right? Then you will be getting, right? That divided by which one? This pi. How much you will be getting? 0.090. What is it you can say? What is the recognition of you here? 0.090, isn't it? Or we'll be just checking it like this. We'll be just checking it like this. What we'll do first? First we'll calculate this pi into cosecant 15 degrees. Means pi divided by sine 15 degrees, right? Pi divided by sine 15 degrees, right? Then after that, okay, yeah, this one is in. Yeah. So what is that? 3 equal to, right? Log 3, right? Log 3, na? So how can you get this mu now? That mu will be equal to log 3 to the base c divided by which one? This log e power pi cosecant 15. E power pi cosecant 15 to the base c, right? Like that, isn't it? So we'll just try to do this one, right? Because this calculation, new calculation, we'll try to do it, right? First, which one we'll calculate here now? If you are doing like this, first we need to calculate this pi cosecant 15. Pi cosecant 15 we have to calculate. Pi cosecant 15 means pi by sine 15, na? So what you can write? Log 3 to the base c. We can do this in the second manner, but just for usage of virtual calculator I am telling this, okay? Log e, which one? E power which one? This pi by sine 15. Pi by sine 15 degrees, right? Like that we have to do it, okay? First we will calculate pi by sine 15, then you will apply this e power x, then you will apply log 1 divided by the answer, then multiply with log 3. Yes, not? Is that clear? Shall I move to that? Yes, I'll just move on to that, all of you. Pi by sine 15, first we will calculate. Clear all? Degree mode. Yes, na? Pi divided by sine 15 means 15 sine, na? 15 sine, okay? That pi divided by which one? 3.1415 is divided by which one? Sine 15 degrees, right? Equality symbol, right? Equality symbol. What we have calculated? This pi by sine 15. Then e power, that value, na? This value I got, right? Pi by sine 15 degrees. Then you go for which one? This e power x, right? E power, that value will be getting, right? Equality symbol. After that e power, what we need to do? After that e power, what we need to do? Log we have to apply, na? Apply ln to this, right? Apply ln to this, right? Then you will be getting which one? This is same 12.13 only, no? Yes, 12.13 ln you will be getting, right? Log. Then 1 divided by that answer we have to select. Reciprocal of that. Multiplication into 3 ln. 3 ln means natural logarithm of 3, right? Equate the symbol. 0.09. You are also getting the same answer 0.09 or not? Yes, you will be getting the same answer 0.09 only, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? All of you got the same answers? Is that clear, everyone? All of you got the same answers? Yes, na? So like that we have to solve which one? Like that we have to solve which one? This friction questions, right? Like that we have to solve these friction questions using the virtual calculator, right? Using the virtual calculator, you have to be careful like that. Yes, na? So again, tomorrow what you will be having? Next class on which one, right? The next class will be on which one? Next class on which one? Next Saturday, Sunday, right? Sorry, every next Friday, Saturday. When will be the next Friday, Saturday you are having? 10th na? Yes, it will be 10th September. If you just observe, next class on which one? This is 10th September 21 at 4 p.m. Okay, on which one you are having? On which one you are having? On moment of inertia you are having. Okay, so you don't miss this, because in RCC, in steel, yeah, in RCC, in steel, right, in all sections, right, in all sections, in RCC calculations, steel calculations, and strength of materials, bending stresses also, that moment of inertia calculation is important, no? That moment of inertia calculation is important, or yes, moment of inertia numericals, right, using the virtual calculator. Okay, next, on which one? On 11th 9/21 at 4 p.m. What is that? CG, center of gravity numericals, right? You have to be careful, right? Don't miss this, right? Center of which one? This is center of gravity numericals using virtual calculator, right? Like that. Is it clear? Next schedule, next week, next Friday, Saturday. Okay, next Friday, Saturday, you are having these classes like this. Okay, right? So I'll be. Anyone having any doubts? All of you? Somebody just tell me, anyone having any doubts? Yeah, that fellow has again entered, I think so. Without. Yeah, I'll take. Okay, okay, Ninad, you can just send me those questions, right? Tomorrow it is not there. Every Friday, Saturday only I'll be doing it. Okay. Otherwise, Ninad, you just send me the question. I'll be just send it to you while doing it by recording. Okay. Don't worry. Ninad, I'll be just showing it to you by recording. Okay. Don't worry, if possible. Otherwise, we'll take it in the next week. Otherwise, okay. Tomorrow it is not possible, right? Tomorrow no problem. Tomorrow it is not there, because next Friday and Saturday is, right? Again, that same fellow has entered without listening the class. So will be unliking, na, clicking a dislike, na. That fellow has entered again, I think so. Thank you all of you. We'll be closing the session. Thank you very much.